Hey yo, just wanted to do a quick unbagging. Oh, quick slide out the bag. Been to the Nike outlet. They had these Kobe Mamba Rage, $34.99. All black. I always bet on black. You can't go wrong with all black shoe. Mamba Rage is the value version of the Kobe line, basketball shoes, signature shoe line. We got some 3M going on here on the tongue. The rest of this is just your basic mesh upper. Some decent traction on there. Indoor only, of course. And the one, one of the great things about this shoe is the insole. Because all your cushion is going to be in here. So, if you break this shoe down, it's just, that and the sole. All your cushion is here. And I mean, it's a pretty good cushion, man. It's even for somebody my size to bounce around on. It's all lunar line, and it's pretty solid. Gets the job done. If you're looking for a cheap basketball shoe to play in, I would check out the Mamba Rage. Thanks for tuning in. Any questions, let me know.